Hello and welcome everyone in today's class. Today we are going to see our fourth story in the Kingdom of Fools. In last video we had seen the summary of this story. So you have got some idea what is in this story. In this video we will see the story. It is believed that fools are so dangerous that only very wise people can manage them. Who are the fools in the story? What happens to them? So it says that fools are so dangerous. It is not good to live with the fools. Only wise persons can manage to live with fool peoples. So who are the fool in the story? We'll see. In the kingdom of fools, both the king and the minister were idiots. They didn't want to run things like other kings. So they decided to change night into day and day into night. So once there was a kingdom and it was known as kingdom of fools. Both their king as well as minister were foolish and they were idiot, and they decided there should be change in their kingdom. So they made a unique change. They decided that night should be considered as a day and day should be considered as a night. So नाइट को हम डे मानेंगे और डे को नाइट, ऐसा उन्होंने डिसाइड कर लिया क्योंकि उनको कुछ चेंजेस चाहिए था दूसरे किंगडम से अपने किंगडम को कुछ यूनिक बनाने के लिए उन्होंने ऐसा करा, और डे को नाइट और नाइट को डे. दे ऑर्डर दैट एवरीवन शुड बी अवेक एट नाइट till their fields and run their businesses only after dark and go to bed as soon as the sun came up. So they made that everyone should wake up at night time. They should work in the field during night time, and all whatever their businesses are there, they should be started at night time, means after dark. And if the morning came at that time, everyone should be slept. So like that they made one rule: anyone who disobey would be punished with death, and if anyone will not accept this decision, he or she will be punished with death, और उनको death मिलेगी as a punishment. The people did as they were told for fear of death. So the peoples of that kingdom were fearing for death. Generally everyone fear to death. कोई मरना नहीं चाहता है, सबको डर लगता है. तो सभी ने सोचा कि चलो यार ठीक है, रात को दिन मान लेते, दिन को रात. जो दिन में काम कर रहे हो रात में करेंगे और जो रात में है वो दिन में. सो ऐसा उन्होंने डिसाइड कर लिया बिकॉज ऑफ फियर टू डेथ. The king and the minister were delighted at the success of their project. So the king and minister felt so happy that everyone is following their rules. So they were happy. They thought they are successful now. One day a guru and his disciple arrived in the city. It was a beautiful city. It was broad daylight, but there was no one about. So one day a guru and his disciple came into the city and they saw that the city was so nice, it was beautiful, and it was daylight, means during daytime they came, but there was no one about, but no one was there during daytime. There was rule, everyone has to be slept ड्यूरिंग डे टाइम. सबको सोना पड़ता था दिन में, इसलिए शायद सब सो रहे थे. तो उन्होंने देखा कि बहुत ही सुंदर ऐसा शहर है लेकिन सब सोए हुए थे. एवरीवन वाज अस्लीप, नॉट अ माउस स्टीरिंग. सो वहाँ पे कोई ऐसा चूहा भी नहीं था कि जो अवेक था, सब कुछ सोए वाले थे. इवन द कैटल हैड बीन टॉट टू स्लीप बाय डे. सो कुछ जो एनिमल्स होते उनको भी पढ़ाया गया था कि कैसे दिन में सोना है, तो उनको दिन में सोना पड़ता था. तो इट वॉज द रूल नॉट ओनली फॉर ह्यूमन बींग्स, इट वॉज फॉर एनिमल्स ऑल्सो. वाई? बिकॉज इट वॉज द किंगडम ऑफ फूल्स. The two strangers were amazed by what they saw around them and wandered around town till evening, when suddenly the whole town woke up and went about its nightly businesses. So the guru and disciple were amazed at what is happening in the city. Why? Because everyone at evening woke up and they started their daily work, which generally we do during daytime. सो तो वो गुरु और उसका डिसाइपल तो शॉक हो गए कि यार सब नाइट में उठ के अभी काम पे लग गए हैं. The two men were hungry. Now that the shops were open, they went to buy some groceries. To their astonishment, they found that everything cost the same, a single dudu. Whether they bought a measure of rice or a bunch of bananas, it cost a dudu. So the two men were hungry. They wanted to eat something, and during night time the shop was open. So they went to buy some groceries. Why? Because they wanted to eat something. So they shocked that the price was same for each foods. So सबकी जो प्राइस थी सेम थी, तो उनको तो शॉक ही लग गया कि ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है. देयर शुड बी चेंजेस इन प्राइजेस में तो चेंज होते हैं जनरली. तो एक ही वहाँ की जो करेंसी थी डुडू, वही था सबके लिए कि कौन सी भी चीज़ लेंगे, फिर वो बनाना लेना है, राइस लेना है, या जो भी कुछ ले रहे हैं, तो सबको तो सेम पैसे लग रहे हैं. सो द गुरु एंड हिज डिसाइपल वेर डिलाइटेड. They had never heard of anything like this. They could buy all the foods they wanted for a rupee. So the guru and disciple were very happy to see that price was less and same for all foods. So they had never heard about such a thing, and they could buy all whatever they want in 1 rupee. So when they had cooked and eaten, the guru realized that this was kingdom of fool, and it wouldn't be a good idea for them to stay there. So when they ate at after that, and they thought about that kingdom, and guru realized that it is the kingdom of fool and it is not good to stay here. This is no place for us, let's go, he said to his disciple. But the disciple didn't want to leave the place. So he said to his disciple, it is not good place for us. Why? Because here everyone is full, and living with fool may get some serious problems. So we should go from here. But disciple was not interested to go from there. Why? Because he was happy to buy some groceries, foods there in less money. Everything was cheap here. All he wanted was good, cheap food. So the disciple wanted only good and cheap food. That's why he was not interested to go. The Guru said, they all are full. This won't last very long, and you can't tell what they will do next. So the Guru said that they all are full, and you are getting food here, everything you are getting, but we cannot say for how much time you will get this, and what will happen next you can't imagine here. Why? Because fools can do anything. फूल जो है कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, उनका तो कोई भरोसा नहीं कर सकते कि वो क्या बिहेव करेंगे, कैसा बिहेव करेंगे. बट द डिसाइपल वुडंट लिसन टू द गुरु विजडम. He wanted to stay. So the disciple didn't listen, and he stayed there. The Guru finally gave up and said, do what you want, I'm going, and left. So Guru said that, okay, if you want to stay here, you can stay, but I'm going. Do whatever you want to do here. And Guru left. The disciple stayed on, ate his fill every day, bananas and ghees and rice and wheat, and grew fat like a street side sacred bull. सो वो एक ऐसे बहुत खाने लगा, फिर घी खाने लगा, राइस, व्हीट, जो जो भी सारी चीज़ें थी वो सब कुछ वो खाने लगा. और जो रास्ते पे ऐसे कोई ऐसा बैल होता है उसकी तरह वैसे फैट हो चुका था खा खा के, क्योंकि कम पैसे में उसे सब कुछ खाने में मिल रहा था, तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा खाने लगा था. One bright day, a thief broke into a rich merchant house. He had made a hole in the wall and sneaked in. And as he was carrying out of his loot, the wall of the old house collapsed on his head and killed him on the spot. So one day a thief went for a robbery. He went in a merchant house, and he made one hole to enter in the house. So when he carried all his loot and coming outside from that same hole, but that wall collapsed, it was destroyed and fall upon his head, and that burglar, that thief killed there on the spot. वहाँ पे ही वो मर जाता है जब वो चोरी करने जाता है. जैसे उसने एक होल बनाया और होल में से जाके कुछ चीज़ें चुरा ली, जब बाहर आ रहा था तो वो पूरी वॉल उस पर गिर जाती है और वो मर जाता है. His brother ran to the king and complained, Your Highness, when my brother was pursuing his incense trade, a wall fell on him and killed him. This merchant is to blame. He should have built a good, strong wall. You must punish the wrongdoer and compensate the family of this injustice. So his brother went next day to the king and said, Your Highness, my brother was doing his professional business, that is ancient trade, जो उनका बहुत पुराना ट्रेड है, बिजनेस है चोरी करना. वो मेरा जो भाई कर रहा था, वो करते समय क्या हो गया कि जो मर्चेंट है उसने वॉल अच्छे से नहीं बनाई थी. तो वॉल में होल बनाने के बाद जनरली वॉल गिर जाती है. तो वो कहता है कि इसमें गलती जो है ना मेरे चोर भाई की नहीं है, ये गलती है उस वॉल बनाने वाले की, उस मर्चेंट की, जिसने ऐसी कमज़ोर वॉल बनाई. अगर वो अच्छी वॉल बनाई होती तो शायद मेरा भाई चोरी करके आ सकता था और वो नहीं मरता. तो ऐसे उसे बोलता है. तो ये हो गया इनजस्टिस. तो इसके लिए कुछ नुकसान हुआ है हमारा, तो सज़ा तो मिलनी चाहिए जो ऑनर है, मर्चेंट है उसको. द किंग सेड, जस्टिस विल बी डन, डोंट वरी, and at once summoned the owner of the house. So the king said that no problem, you will get justice, and he called that owner of the house. जो हाउस का ऑनर है उसे बुलाया गया. When the merchant arrived, the king questioned him, What's your name? Such and such, your highness. So जब मर्चेंट वहाँ पे आया तो किंग ने क्वेश्चन पूछा कि तुम्हारा नाम क्या है. तो उसने कह दिया कि मेरा नाम ये है, एंड योर हाइनेस. वैसे कि जनरली हम रिस्पेक्ट से बोलते किंग को योर हाइनेस, और उसके बाद में बोलना स्टार्ट करते कभी भी. सो ऐसे उसने बात करी और उसने नाम बता दिया जब जैसे पूछा गया. वेर यू एट होम व्हेन द डेड मैन बर्गल योर हाउस. सो ही आस्क्ड दैट वेर यू एट होम व्हेन दैट थीप केम. जो चोर तुम्हारे घर में आया था तो तुम थे क्या. तो उसने कहा यस लॉर्ड, यस माई लॉर्ड, ही ब्रोक इन एंड द वॉल वॉज वीक, इट फेल ऑन हिम. हाँ, उसने घर पे आया था, उसने वॉल को ऐसे होल बनाया और वॉल उस पर गिर गई और वो मर गया. द अक्यूज्ड प्लीड्स गिल्टी, योर वॉल किल दिस मैन्स ब्रदर, यू हैव मर्डर्ड अ मैन, वी हैव टू पनिश यू. किंग ने बोला कि तुम्हारी वजह से ही उसकी जान गई है, तुमने एक आदमी का मर्डर किया है तो तुम्हें पनिशमेंट तो मिलनी चाहिए. एंड ही सेड दैट लॉर्ड, सेड द हेल्पलेस मर्चेंट, आई डिडंट पुट द वॉल. It's really the fault of the man who built the wall. He didn't build it right. You should punish him. So he said that I haven't made this wall. The wall is made by someone. So that man should be punished who made the wall. So king asked, Who is that? My lord, this wall was built in my father's time. I know the man. He is an old man now. He lives nearby. तो उसने कहा कि जो वॉल है मेरे फादर के टाइम पे बनाई गई थी, और वो आदमी कहाँ रहता है मुझे पता है, वो यहीं पे करीब ही रहता है. The king sent out messenger to bring in the bricklayer who had built the wall. They bought him tied hand and foot. तो फिर मैसेंजर के ज़रिए उसको बुलाया गया उस ब्रिकलेयर को, और उसके हाथ पैर बांध के वो लेके आ जाते हैं जिसने वो वॉल बनाई थी. You there, did you build this man's wall in his father time? यस माई लॉर्ड आई डिड. तो किंग ने पूछा कि तुमने ये वॉल बनाई थी उसके फादर के टाइम पे. तो इसने कहा, ब्रिकलेयर ने, हाँ मैंने ही बनाई थी माई लॉर्ड. सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ वॉल इज दिस दैट यू बिल्ट. इट हैज़ फॉलन ऑन अ पुअर मैन एंड किल्ड हिम, यू हैव मर्डर्ड हिम, वी हैव टू पनिश यू बाय डेथ. सो किंग ने बोला कि यार कैसे आदमी हो तुम, कैसी वॉल बना दी तुमने, उस गरीब बेचारे चोर को तुमने मार डाला उस वॉल की वजह से, और तुम्हारी वजह से वो मर्डर हो गया, तो तुम्हें पनिशमेंट तो देनी पड़ेगी. तो देखिए यहाँ पे जो किंग है बहुत ही ज़्यादा मूर्ख है. तो वो बोल रहा है कि चोर जो है चोरी करने जा रहा है, तो ये तो बुरी बात हुई ना. तो जनरली उसको तो सज़ा मिलनी चाहिए थी, तो वो खुद मर गया तो अभी कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं रहा था वहाँ पे. सो जिसके घर में चोरी होने जा रही थी उसको तो आप सज़ा नहीं दे सकते हो. तो इस प्रकार से ब्रिकलेयर को भी सज़ा देना गलत रहेगा, क्योंकि उसने वॉल बनाई, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि उसको सज़ा मिलनी चाहिए। तो ये बोल रहा है कि चोर जो है बहुत अच्छा था, वो उसका बिजनेस कर रहा था और सारी गलती जो है ब्रिकलेयर की, ऐसा समझ के उसको बोल रहा है तुम्हें सज़ा मिलनी चाहिए। सो द रिमेनिंग पार्ट आई विल एक्सप्लेन इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो।